Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to make photo collage on iPhone. No apps needed. Okay, now the first option, you need to open your shortcuts. Okay, this app. Okay, I want make this quickly and select in gallery. Okay, and in the shares, can you write grid example? Yes, photo grid and select in add. Okay, add shortcut, close this. In library, can you see now your photo grid shortcut? Select your photos and now you can see this is your photo grid, your collage. Okay, not is the best collage, but you can use this how do you want. Okay, and now you can make these things like that. I not aesthetic. Okay, I anti-aesthetic. Okay, I not know how make this, but now you can understand me now. This is my image, and can you see I can save to files or save to photos. Okay, I select for photos, but you can select 5, 6, 7. I don't know what is the limit, but this is a shortcut. Okay, this is a way, one way. You can have different way. This is one way. If you don't want download apps. Okay, and this is all for this video. Have a good day and see you later. Sorry for my English, I know that is awful. I know, really, I know that is awful. Okay, have a good day.